Topic 25. My favorite restaurant. My favorite restaurant is a small and cozy place near my house. I like this restaurant because the food is delicious, the environment is clean, and the staff are very friendly. It is a place where I feel comfortable and happy when I visit. I usually go to this restaurant with my family or friends. We often visit on weekends or special days. When we arrive, we choose a table and look at the menu. There are many types of food, but my favorite dish is rice with grilled chicken and fresh vegetables. The food is always tasty and well prepared. The restaurant has a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The lights are soft, and the place is always clean and quiet. The staff greet us with smiles and serve the food quickly. This makes the experience even better. I enjoy eating at this restaurant because it is not too expensive and the quality of the food is very good. It is a perfect place to relax and enjoy a meal. Sometimes we stay for a long time, talking and laughing together. Going to my favorite restaurant is not just about eating, it is also about spending time with the people I love. We share stories, talk about our day, and enjoy the moment together. These memories are very special to me. In the future, I want to try more dishes and maybe visit new restaurants, but this one will always be my favorite. It is simple, but it gives me happiness and comfort every time I go there.